Willie Moore with E-Room Investments. Here, this time we're in Lamarck, Texas. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath that we purchased for, it was around $12,000. It was actually a property that was on the tax foreclosure list that we were able to get. This property, the roof was in very, very bad condition. So we had to demo all of the ceiling. We gutted all the sheetrock out the entire house in order to bring this thing all the way back up to code. We're gonna have to redo the plumbing with the electrical. Everything in this house is gonna be brand new for the new tenant, and we're gonna make sure that we do it right as we always do. Now, for this property, we want an open concept. So we're gonna open up this wall with an arch in order to allow the living room to gently bleed into the kitchen. So we're gonna open it up from this wall with an arch, and it's gonna land over here, and this whole area is gonna open up into the living room. So you're gonna have an open kitchen slash living room combo floor plan. And there's a small master bath in the back of the house. Now the issue with this bathroom is the way that it's kind of cut in, it eliminates a lot of space that we can actually open up here. Granted, the pink and the green 1980 color was okay for that time, but we're gonna update it with something more modern, something to give it a better feel, because we want them to, you know, be happy and comfortable when they come home every day to see the bathroom. Okay, so this particular section of the house is actually a garage. Since this property has a huge carport out in front, a double wide carport, we're actually gonna convert this into an additional bedroom. So in doing so, what we're gonna have to do is run some floor joists and deck this complete floor to where it's flush and even, and we're gonna drop some ducts in for the from the AC unit in order so it'll have the central air and heat here in the home. We were in the process of putting the roof on when Hurricane Harvey hit, unfortunately, and if you know about the hurricane, a lot of people lost their properties. One problem that we ran into is we had a lot of water damage come from the roof because the roof hadn't been replaced yet, which got on these are real hardwood, original hardwood floors, and it made them warp extremely bad. So we're gonna have to go through and replace and repair all the warps throughout the flooring for this property, and it's something that you definitely don't want your tenants to have to deal with. As you can see, this thing has probably come up maybe a good 3 or 4 inches off the ground. I mean, I can use this to do some power step-ups to work on my legs here, but this isn't what it's for. This floor is supposed to be flat, and it's not nothing that your tenants are gonna want to deal with, so we're gonna have to go through and fix that and get it going right, because everything we do here at E-Room, we make sure we do it right the first time. All right, it's Willie Moore with E-Room Investments. I want to thank y'all for coming and check out the start of this project here in Lamarck. You guys stay tuned. We're going to bring you some more beautiful updates on these properties. You have a great day.